Namaste, my dear friends. I'm sure you have seen the two earlier videos about the Guinness World Record attempt activity, which are going to happen during the India International Science Festival 2020. The first activity was supposed to be there on 22nd December. The second is on 23rd December. And this video is about the third activity, which is going to be there on 24th December. This activity is about mask wearing activity. All of us, we are living in new normal. This ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has changed our lifestyle. It has also changed our costume. Now, the mask has become part of our costume. And therefore, in this IISF, the one of the attempt activity is of wearing a mask. Thousands of students have registered for this activity and they are excited to know what is going to happen on the day of attempt. And therefore, we have invited coordinator for this activity in IISF, Mayuri Datta madam. She is there with us. Namaste ma'am. Please welcome for this particular event. So ma'am, can you please briefly explain what is going to happen on 24th December? What student are supposed to do during this activity of mask wearing?
To start with, I would like to tell our little children that this year Santa is coming with the mask on. And to join Santa on Christmas Eve, our children are going to get a habit of wearing it and how to wear it and what is the rule as per WHO directive. We are going to do that. On 24th of December, Guinness World Record attempt title for most people applying protective masks simultaneously online will be attempted by students from all over the country. These are the students who had registered for Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan examination, and this is another opportunity for them to come in the public view or eye by doing something for themselves and for the country. So all the children who have registered for Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, out of them, around 12,000 students are going to be together in their own homes, going in for the same kind of activities known as applying protective masks simultaneously online. That is, this is going to be a live streaming attempt where every child will be noticed and seen by individual steward how they are putting it, how long they are putting it, and thereafter what they are doing. So this is a new unique activity which we have introduced and we are going to create it in Guinness World Record.
Thank you very much, madam. So you just mentioned that the time is very important over here. So how long these students who are participating, they are supposed to wear this mask, and is there any duration for wearing it, and whether they should continue wearing it for certain time?
Sir, as I said that we are strictly have to abide by the rule and norms of WHO. So keeping that in mind, we will be having demonstrators from Public Health Department. The students will have we will be seeing a demonstration by doctors from the same area, and these doctors are going to inform them how this has to be done. To tell my children who are watching me something about this activity specifically, I would say that we had uploaded a video talking about how to wear a mask and how long you have to wear a mask and what is the procedure. So I would be suggesting and requesting student to please kindly go through the video which is already uploaded in our website of YouTube channel of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. Sorry. As you said, sir, that we need to tell our children what is the procedure. To start up with, I would like to tell all the children who are listening that you have to make sure that you have a surgical mask in your houses, because that is what is will be required for you to put on when you are going to join this activity known as mask wearing activity. So, my dear children, make sure that you make an arrangement of a surgical mask at your places and be ready with it. The second thing required by them is a dustbin beside them, as well as a sanitizer, because we have to keep our hands clean before wearing the mask. So these are few guidelines, and we request all students getting ready for participating in this activity to arrange these materials beforehand in their respective house. As for the time is concerned, after the demonstration by the public health department doctors are over, thereafter we are going to start a siren, or we'll have a sound or a bell wherein we will be directing children to wear the mask within 10 seconds. The normal time limit for wearing the mask is 10 seconds. So all those who are listening to me are requested to practice this, to wear a mask in 10 seconds. Now, wearing a mask is easy, but wearing a mask perfectly as per the norm is more important. And that is how those who will not wear the mask properly and within the stipulated time will be disqualified. So, may I tell you all that make sure that you learn to wear the mask appropriately the way it is instructed in the videos which are already uploaded. The other thing which the children have to keep it in mind is after wearing the mask, they have to make sure to keep it on for 5 full minutes. I repeat, they have to keep this mask for 5 minutes. Here, if they close their video, if they talk, if they move around, that would not be appreciated. It is directed that after you have worn the mask, you keep it on and be in front of your own videos. Thereafter, our team will be instructing them to take a pledge. How will you take the pledge is a question now. So I would like to tell you that the doctors who will be directing you will instruct you to take a pledge by saying one line and asking you to repeat it. Now, the question is, do you have to unmute your mic when you are to repeat it? So I would like to tell you, no, you have to say the pledge within yourself, in your mind, or you can say it loudly, but you should keep your mic muted. You cannot unmute your mic and say the pledge. So after repeating the pledge, then our activity will be over. So this is all is there for the children. The first is keeping a surgical mask ready right in front of them, following the direction as to how to wear, how long to wear, and what is to be done next. Thereafter, even they will be guided how to throw away the mask. That also we are going to guide them. So this is all is there in this activity known as most people applying protective masks simultaneously in 10 seconds, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. You have given very useful information and very important information that these students need to wear mask in 10 seconds. And after wearing it in 10 seconds, they need to keep it on for 5 minutes. And second thing is that they have to keep their camera on and their video should be recorded properly. So what if by mistake, if somebody forgets to turn on camera, will these students be disqualified?
Yes, sir. Since our heading, we call it the title, is that we would like to see them on the videos. So they have to keep their videos on. Secondly, since we are creating an attempt, a record, we will have to submit the evidence of our activity to the Guinness World Record team. And these videos will be kept in the archive of Guinness World Record office. So we need to have each and every child videographed, rather proctored, while they are performing the activity.
Thank you very much, madam. And because of your instructions, students will be very careful and none of these students will play around with the camera and they'll make sure that their video is captured and they don't get disqualified. I have
I
one
have
more,
something else to say.
please.
Sorry, sorry, sir. I have something else to convey to children, that they are to wear their own mask. They cannot take a help of their parents or anyone beside them. The time when the video we are going to actually take care of this activity is that we need to make sure that the children are not having their seniors beside them. It is an individual activity and is to be done individually. The children have to make sure that their mask is worn from nose to chin. So you need to practice that your mask is always have to be worn from nose to chin. This is one essential thing you have to do within that 10-second allotted to you to wear the mask.
Thank you, ma'am. I have one last question. So those students who have registered and they are participating, how do they join the activity? Because it's a virtual activity. So is there any specific procedure to join the event?
Yes, sir. It is very nice to inform our students that they had been part and parcel of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, the Science Talents online search examination. They actually are aware of an app which they have to download to participate in this examination. Similarly, we have the same kind of a app, but the name is different. This time, the app is known as IASF GWR. Children will be directed how to download the app. In fact, the direction video is already uploaded. So if the kids want to see that, they can go through it, know all the details and instruction how to download the app and what is the procedure. So this IASF GWR app, once installed, students will be getting a password and a unique ID. They have to fill in that up and enter the Zoom platform which is created within it. Thereafter, when it is get started, they click to get started, they will be joining the entire event from the same window, which is specially through this app.
Thank you very much, madam. Truly, this is going to be a virtual festival and the attempts are also going to be created virtually. Students will be sitting at their home at the safest place and participating in this activity. We are getting information from lots of students and these students are very, very excited to join those particular events, whichever they have registered for. We are looking forward to these activities and I have suggestion to students that please look for the Vidyarthi Vigyan Mantham YouTube page for further instructions which are coming up. Soon, these students will also have some trial runs which will help them to understand the whole process. So we are also looking forward to that. All of us are going to create a history. We are going to create new records. And I'm sure those students are also equally excited as that we organizers are. Thank you very much for joining. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.